Alright guys, so we're going to do a 3-head mini split, and it's going to be a bit of a task on these first two, getting our line sets and our electrical down. So I'm going to start with these ones, and we'll get over to the sunroom, which is the easier head, last. So as far as this one goes, you can see here over this radiator, the head can go right above that onto the plaster. And there is a sunroom behind it. We're going to have to bore through the plaster and the brick and bring our line set and electrical down. And it's actually going to go through the floor into the basement, which I will show you where in the floor into the basement it's going to go to run everything. So that's for this room. So moving over into the sunroom, or into, sorry, we'll call this the back porch, into the back porch. We will have a head directly on the opposite side, so either right behind it or on that end of it. So a head in here as well. And again, doing the same thing with bringing our line set down and our electrical down, which directly underneath us is the utility room. And actually through that vent behind that, it goes straight down into the utility room. So a head in here, a head in there, line set and electrical down. Do my walkthrough with this, sorry. The house is very large, so I want to make sure that you don't miss anything. So that room where we're taking the electrical and line set down from is directly above this. So if you saw in the corner of the room, for example, there is that sink. That PVC is going into the sink there. So we'll be able to run something, or we'll be able to run it all down into here. And then we can begin our movement of the line set through, and we'll be doing access holes in the drywall and leaving those exposed. The customer will patch them afterwards. But doing some access holes, bringing it through this soffit here, and into this room, which has drop ceiling, and the condensers for the current units. I can't see it there. The condensers are literally right there, and we'll be putting our condensers right next to it. So from here on back through there will be our line set and electrical for those two heads. And then I'm going to stop this video and show you the other room, which will be a much easier little run for us. Also, obviously, the electrical is in here, so that should be everything for here.